Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're creating the spring Easter sign DIY. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Alright, here are some of the materials we're going to be needing today. You'll be needing some sort of canvas or wood piece for the background of the bunnies. My husband built this one for me with some of the scrap wood we had in our garage. And then I printed out a small bunny. And then I picked out a few different brushes, as well as a large brush for the background paint that we'll be using. I have my painter's marker, as well as some light pink. Well, actually, I think this is a chiffon pink from Crafters. I got it at Walmart, as well as this linen colored chalk paint for the background, and a ruler. And now it's time to go ahead and paint our background. I'm doing this, like I said, in a linen French color, and I'm just applying an even color all around the top as well as in the corners. And I did want to keep it more of a natural coat, so I just did a very light even color. I didn't give it a second coat. So you'll be seeing, as I said, some of that grain across the entire front of it. Alright, so now that our wood piece is dry, we're going to go ahead and highlight the back with our pencil, the back of our bunny, and then we're going to go ahead and get started tracing the bunny onto our surface. And in this particular case, I will be tracing the outline of the bunny twice, since I do have two bunnies. My two little bunnies will be on here, and they represent my two daughters, Emily and Kira, so you'll be seeing that on the sign in just a moment. Alright, so now with my painter's marker, I'm just going to write my children's, my girls' names onto the different bunnies. And I'm just freehanding this. Of course, if you wanted to, you could print out their names to make it a little neater if you wished. I did a little bit of a quirky forms of the letters there with a bit of curves. And then now I'm going to go ahead and just fill in the bunnies with my chiffon pink paint. And this is an acrylic paint, and you can find it pretty much anywhere. I believe I got this one at Walmart, and they're very inexpensive. They're about 50 cents a bottle, and they do go a long way. So now I'm just going to be filling in my bunnies, as I said. And then on the top, once I completed the bunnies, I will go ahead and put our little bunnies to represent our two little girls. now that we have our little bunnies on there, to finalize our project, I'm going to go ahead and put two little cute tails on these little bunnies. I bought these little balls of fluff or poms at Walmart. Alright, here's our completed project. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to watch more videos like this, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.